Welcome back, future medicos. Finally, Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has released the schedule for CMC Vellore admission. But they have released only the schedule for the minority network candidates. They have not yet released the schedule for open category seats or management quota seats. They have not released yet. So in this video, we'll look at the schedule for minority network candidates who are all eligible to attend the counseling. So you can see here, right now I'm on the website. The website has displayed the schedule. The counseling for the minority network candidates is going to happen on 16th December 2020, that is tomorrow at 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. the counseling starts. So you have to be here in Chennai at 10 a.m. So don't ask me if you cannot make it, if you are from far away, if you are from other states, if you find it very difficult, I don't know what is the answer. You need to ask only the Tamil Nadu Selection Committee or DME what is the answer for that. But they have given you roughly about 24 hours. I don't know at what time they have posted this schedule. Yesterday night I checked, there was nothing. Maybe this morning, early morning, they might have posted. So 16 December, 11 a.m. you have to be present for the counseling. And the counseling requirement is you should be there about 1 hour before. So where should you come? It happens at Nehru Outdoor Stadium, Periyamedu, Chennai. Now, where is this? This is very, very close to Chennai Central Railway Station. So if you are coming from other states or if you are coming from the north, this is the place normally you will come and get down, Chennai Central Railway Station. So from the Chennai Central Railway Station, Nehru Outdoor Stadium is about a walkable distance, about a kilometer. You can walk 10 minutes, you can reach there. If you are coming from some other places, wherever you are coming from, generally this Nehru Outdoor Stadium is very well connected. You can take a metro rail station. There is a metro rail station very, very close to the Nehru Stadium. It's about, once again, about a kilometer. You get down at the Chennai Central Metro Rail Station and walk about 10 minutes, you can reach Nehru Outdoor Stadium. Whether you come from airport, whether you come from bus, whether you come by, say, Egmore Railway Station, all these, from there you can take a metro rail station. From airport, there is a metro rail connection to Chennai Central Station. So you can take the metro rail. That's the easiest way. That's the fastest way, in my opinion. Now you can download the call letters. Go to the website tnmedicalselection.org and download the call letters. But in case if you cannot download the call letters, don't worry too much. Call letters, even if you don't have, you can still attend the counseling. You should be present 1 hour prior to commencement of counseling. And then for the demand draft, I have already posted a video yesterday. So you can look at that video. You can see here, you should get a DD of 1,000 rupees. Drawn in favor of Secretary Selection Committee, Chennai 10. In some places, they will say Secretary Selection Committee, Kilpak, Chennai 10. So don't worry, all these are okay. As long as it is Secretary Selection Committee, then it's fine. It should not be a problem. It should be payable at Chennai. So this is the processing fee. You need to bring all these documents, NEET UG admit card and scorecard, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, community certificate if applicable. Mainly this is applicable for, I think, SC, SCA or ST candidates. Transfer certificate from the last school or bona fide certificate if you are currently studying somewhere else. Aadhaar card or passport. More number of candidates are called for counseling. So it doesn't mean if you are called for counseling, doesn't mean you will get a seat. You may get a seat. It's not guaranteed you will get a seat. The candidates who are selected at the time of counseling shall pay an amount of 1 lakh rupees. So this is mandatory. Some of you still questioning yesterday whether I should bring the 1 lakh DD. I was telling that it is compulsory. And if you have doubt, you can look at my earlier video. So this is compulsory. You should bring a DD of 1 lakh rupees. Once again, this should be taken in favor of the Secretary Selection Committee, Kilpak, Chennai 10. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Some places they might miss this Kilpak. It doesn't really matter. If you include Kilpak also is okay. If you have not included Kilpak is also okay. In addition, the network candidates should bring these documents. one proof of sponsorship sent by CMC Velo's network associated churches or Christian organizations. That is, there is a sponsorship. And then you also need to have the baptism, confirmation, church membership, or religious minority certificates. So in fact, all these information I have already provided in my earlier videos. So you can go through this notification is very clear. And who can attend the counseling? Not everyone in the list can attend the counseling. They have provided the list of minority candidates called for counseling. So how many candidates they have called for counseling? They have called only 212 candidates for 84 seats. The 84 seats available under minority network, 212 candidates has been called. So look at this document, see whether your name is there. If your name is there, please start your travel right now and then reach Chennai so that you can attend the counseling at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Some candidates, you can see here, the first 4 candidates are all from the same UG College recommendation for Christians. So as you know that generally every diocese or every sponsoring organization maximum gets only about 2 seats. There is a possibility that only 2 out of these 4 candidates might get a seat. But all of them has been called because 1 or 2 candidates may not appear for counseling. So depending on that, the other candidate might get. So in case rank number 1 and rank number 2 appears and take the seat, then probably rank number 3 and 4 may not be able to get a seat. But they can wait list in case there is a vacancy for round 2, they will be called for subsequent counseling. So go through this list. They might have called more candidates. For example, even you can look here, 37 Malankara Jacobite Syrian Orthodox Church. They have called more than 2 candidates. You can see here at least 4 candidates has been called. In fact, here there is another 5, 6. So seems to have, they have called a few more candidates than what is really necessary. But that's understandable because we do not know how many candidates will really come for counseling. So it all depends on who attends the counseling ahead of you. So anyone who is in this list, I would strongly suggest you to attend the counseling and give it a try. I hope this information is sufficient to you. Now get ready for the travel. My best wishes. I hope you get a seat in CMC Vellore. Thank you. Bye-bye.